Welcome! In front of me I have GARETT Tina smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smartband with the iPhone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your smartband, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding on the touch sensitive button right here at the bottom of the screen. Once you press and hold it for a couple of seconds, the smartband should turn on. And after you turn on the smartband, you will need to download and install the GARETT application on the iPhone you want to pair your band with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone, tap on search bar and type in GARETT. And on the list of apps you should see this application, GARETT. You can tap on it, then tap on the Get button to download and install the application. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on Open button to open it. In the app, when you see this pop-up about Bluetooth, tap on Allow, and here you can log in or create a new account. So if you have an account, you can log in. If you don't have an account, you can create a new one. Another thing you can do is to tap on Skip to use the app without an account. But if you want to keep your data after you remove the app, it's recommended to make an account. And to make an account, simply enter the email address, tap on Get to get the code, and enter the code, and then tap on Login. Okay, I'm gonna tap on Skip, agree, and skip again, set up my profile. And here we can allow ordinary ID permission for the location. I'm gonna allow it while using the app, then tap on OK, and now you should see the homepage of the app after you log in. Tap on Device. We can allow ordinary ID permission for the notifications. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your smartband. If you don't care, you can tap on Don't Allow. I'm gonna allow it. Then tap on Add New Device. Then tap on Select Device. Wait until the app is done searching for the nearby devices. This is weird, it should be detecting the smartband. Let's close the app and reopen it. Let's see what's gonna happen. Device, add new device, select device. Another thing we can try is to reset the band. So I'm gonna go to the function, reset, and this time it detected the smartband. Something was going wrong, but after I restored it to the factory default, now it's detecting the smartband. We can tap on it to select it. This time it gave us timeout for some reason. Let's try again. Okay, something is going wrong again, so let's do this. Let's open the Bluetooth settings on our iPhone. It's not here. So another thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to settings. Okay, it's not here. I'm checking if the X3 device is right here on the list. If it was, I would basically remove it just to make sure. I'm gonna turn off the Bluetooth, turn it back on, and then I'm gonna reopen the GARETT application, GARETT application. Tap on device, tap on add new device, select device. It detected our smartband. I'm gonna tap on it. Then tap on pair, and this time it worked. So we had to troubleshoot a little, but now it's working, as you can see. We have the X3 device on the device page, which means that the devices are connected. And that's how you pair this smartband with the iPhone, hopefully without as much trouble as I had. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.